Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to enable Speak Over Prompts feature. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Now you need to find and select the settings. The setting is right here, the gear icon. If you tap the settings, you've got access to the following list of features and settings that you can use on your car. And one of them is sound and tones. Let's just tap sound and tones. As you can see here, you can use sound, volume and beeps, and system voice. Let me use the system voice, and here you should find and select the speak over prompts, as you can see right here. If you enable this feature by using this switcher, you can interrupt the car while it is still talking, so you don't have to wait for it to finish its sentence before giving your next command. I found it really useful, so you don't have to wait until the Nissan says the whole sentence, the whole thing. You can just interrupt and say straight to the point what you expect to do, what you need to do. So in my case, it's really useful. I really like to have this feature enabled. If you turn it off by using this toggle, you must wait for the car to stop talking before the microphone starts listening to you. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.